Hey, want to make your money work harder than your ex at a rebound gym? Let's turn those dollars into little hustlers. Welcome to Stock Market Secrets in 100 Seconds. Buckle up because we're about to make investing less scary than your uncle's barbecue stories. Yeah, stocks. That thing your uncle rambles about at barbecues. First, don't freak out. You don't need a finance degree or a monocle. The stock market isn't Hogwarts. It's more like a supermarket, but for companies. You pick what you like. Apple, Tesla, or maybe something spicy and new. Maybe that meme stock everyone's tweeting about. Just remember, hype fades faster than last year's TikTok trend. Don't buy it all like it's Black Friday. Start with a budget. Think of it like shopping with a list. No impulse buys. No, you don't need billionaire money. Even $50 is a flex. Start small, grow tall. Next, download a trading app. Think Tinder, but for your wallet. Swipe right on your financial future. Swipe right on something you actually understand. If you use it, eat it, or see it everywhere, that's a good start. Pro tip: don't YOLO your cash on one stock. That's like betting your lunch money on one mystery meat. Diversify, honey. Spread your fries across all the ketchup packets. Mix tech, food, and maybe a little green energy. Patience is hotter than FOMO. Investing is a marathon, not a TikTok dance challenge. Real talk. Most fortunes are made by chilling, not chasing. Let your money marinate. Don't check your stocks every 5 minutes or you'll age faster than your iPhone battery. Set it, forget it, and go live your life. Bonus tip: automate your investments. Set up a monthly deposit and let compound interest do its magic. Review your portfolio every few months, not every few hours. Hit the subscribe button for more juicy tips. We're here to make your wallet and your brain grow. Your future wallet will thank you. Seriously, it'll be so stuffed it'll need a gym membership. Slide into Finance Hub, where dollars and dreams glow up. Now go invest like a boss.